This is a brief demonstration video of a project I've been working on. It's a Z80 computer with a memory mapped display that puts out a composite video signal. Here's the wire wrap prototype board, and you can see the Z80 processor. This is a Z80B processor, which is the fastest. It's rated for up to 6 megahertz, and I've actually overclocked it to 8 megahertz in this system. It does work well also at 4 megahertz in the same system. The system has a 2K ROM, similar to the version 8 ROM in the CPUville single board computer kit. This has a small monitor program that allows you to communicate with the computer using a keyboard through a serial port. This is a CPUville serial port module that was originally sold with the original computers. And you can load programs into the computer over the serial port. It has 64K of memory, 9600 bytes of memory, and this IC is devoted to the video display RAM. The display generates a composite video signal and is output using a standard RCA plug to a composite video cable. This system is connected to a monochrome monitor of the type originally sold with the early Apple II computers. It's a simple monochrome display. The display system has an 8 megahertz dot clock. That allows the display to have a resolution of 320 dots across by 240 lines going down. So when you turn on the computer, the monitor just displays a random pattern of dots. That's just the garbage that's in the memory at power up. I've loaded a picture of a sailboat as a bitmap file into the non-display memory. Now I'm going to transfer that file into the display memory, and you can see how fast it'll do this. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. So the computer is pretty fast at transferring data to the video display memory. I've created a monospace character set to use with this display. Here it is. It has all the printable characters in the ASCII character set, plus a couple of simple graphic characters, the blocks at the end. Here's a demo program that shows that I can type with these characters. You can see the display keeps up pretty well with the keyboard. If you just hold down the repeat key, it can keep up with that too. Characters can be erased with backspace. The font is monospace, so numbers will stay lined up. Finally, here's a program that bounces a small sprite around the screen, so you can see there's potential for video games with this system. This concludes this brief demonstration of the video display system. It's still under development. I want to add Of course, a keyboard port directly to the computer so that the computer with the display can be a standalone system. Also, perhaps some game ports to be used for playing video games. I also will see about maybe adding a disk interface so that it can be used with CPM as a way to store files. Thanks for watching.